Hi, my name is Warren. I'm the product genius here at South Shore Mini. Today I'd like to give you a little tutorial on how to use the easy load function on your Mini convertible. Coming around to the rear of the car, we'll go ahead and pop open the boot, just like that. Looking inside, we find two handles, one on either side, and they're labeled with easy load. So what we're going to do here is we're going to lift up on both handles. By doing so, it releases this whole top of the trunk area, and then we're able to bring the handle back down and the top is able to sit open with the handles now in the lowered position, and it gives us this great wide opening to be able to load cargo in and out. We're also able to raise this shelf to an upper position like this, giving us additional height for perhaps a larger item here in the trunk area. We're even able to close and lock the rear of the car with the shelf in the raised position, giving us extra height. The only thing we cannot do in this configuration is we cannot put the convertible top down with that shelf raised up. And the car will let us know that it's not possible as well. If we were to try to lower the top now, it would give us a warning that it was not able to do that because this rear shelf is raised up. To lower the rear shelf, simply drop it down and back into its lowered position. In the trunk area of the convertible, we also find a release on each side to hold the left and the right rear seats. Simply pull on the release and push the seat forward. And as you can see, putting the seats down really opens up your cargo space and allows you to fit some items you might not think that you could fit inside of a convertible. Closing up the rear of the car after you've used the easy load function is simply the reverse of opening it up. Fold both handles up again, lower the top back down, and secure both handles into place. So as you can see, even the trunk of one of our Mini convertibles, despite being rather efficient on size, it really has a variety of ways you can configure the space and maximize the most of what you have available. Thank you all for watching this quick little tutorial video. Hope it's helped to show you the many ways you can configure the storage area in your convertible. Please remember to subscribe for more video tutorials just like this. Hope to see you in the next video. Take care, everyone.